Welcome back to my channel, Farah Fashion and Style. Today's video is all about beautiful and stylish neck designs for girls. If you love simple, elegant, and trendy neck designs, then this video is definitely for you. If you love simple outfits that are easy to wear, comfortable, and perfect for everyday occasions, then these designs are definitely for you. A beautiful neckline can completely transform the look of a dress. Even a simple fabric can look stunning when paired with the right neck design. In today's collection, you'll see a variety of gorgeous neck designs, from simple and graceful styles to modern and eye-catching patterns. These designs are perfect for casual dresses, party wear, festive outfits, and even everyday wear. If you prefer a decent and elegant look, simple round and U-shaped necklines are a wonderful choice. For a more stylish appearance, you can try V-shaped necklines, square necks, or beautifully detailed cutwork designs. You can also enhance these necklines with lace, piping, buttons, embroidery, pearls, beads, or delicate handwork with fabric. Small details can make a big difference and give your dress a unique and fashionable look. For girls who love trendy fashion, these neck designs are perfect for creating fresh and beautiful outfits. You can choose the design according to your dress fabric, color, age, and occasion. So, keep watching until the end and check out all these beautiful neck design ideas. I hope you'll find the perfect design for your next dress. If you enjoyed these designs, don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for more beautiful dress designs, neck designs, and fashion inspiration. Tell us in the comments which neck design is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Stay stylish, stay beautiful, and see you in the next video.